Hi there guys. In this video today we're going to talk about snow removal insurance and my experience with it. I've been doing snow removal for about 3 to 4 years, so stay tuned and we'll get into it. Thanks. Hi everyone, it's Craig with Thirsty's Lawn Care. It's right around Christmas right now when this video will come out, so Merry Christmas to you guys, and hope you're having fun with your family and friends, and hopefully COVID isn't stopping you from being able to see your family or do the things you usually do. I'm sure it's a little different, but let's make the best of it and stay positive. Today, as I mentioned, I'm going to talk about snow removal insurance. So, as most of you might know, insurance for snow removal has been under attack lately, and it just keeps going up and up. So it's pushing a lot of the little guys out of snow removal. I've stayed using snow blowers in my business because as soon as they find out you have a plow, it's like exponentially more expensive. So I've been trying to get inventive in the way I do my snow removal so that I can keep my rates as low as possible so that I can still stay in the game. I'm not very much interested in using a plow on a truck yet. I'd be more interested in buying like a tractor and having a plow on it or a blower on it, but I'm not convinced I ever want to get a truck with a plow. Anyways, I'm currently insured with Commonwealth. Sorry about that. And Commonwealth is one of the kind of lowest rates I've found. Currently, I pay $2,300 for the year to be insured for snow removal. It's a lot of money when I made a choice to do 25 driveways this year compared to my last year, which was 56 driveways. I paid $1,700 last year for snow removal. I thought that was pretty decent, but going up $600 doesn't seem like a lot. But it is when that's just canceling out a couple more customers. I just find it's kind of crazy when I don't do salting, I don't do sanding. I'm just being insured for snow blowers and clearing residential driveways, not even commercial. It makes it very difficult to run your business profitably when insurance rates are this high. I spoke to my insurance last week on the phone, and they didn't seem to have a lot of sympathy. I did bring up that there was new legislation coming through regarding slip and fall accidents being needing to be reported sooner rather than giving people the opportunity to wait a year before making a slip and fall claim. So hopefully maybe next year insurance rates may change for snow removal. But it's hard to believe that to be insured for my lawn maintenance business for 12 months of the year, it's $700 for me. And then be insured for snow removal, doing the most basic snow removal, cost me $2,300. I understand that the insurance companies are probably getting a lot of claims and it's making it very difficult for them to insure people, but there's got to be an answer to this problem. Especially in Canada, where some parts of the country get a lot of snow, and I know Americans get snow as well in select states, so I know it's not just a problem in Canada. So I think the problem with the insurance with snow removal is the customers don't understand why a season rate is so much money, and they don't take into account always that our insurance is so much and that we need to put our prices up to compensate for that. So I think maybe I need to educate my customers more in 2021 lawn season and let them know what insurance rates cost so that they can understand why the rates are what they are. I'm very lucky that I could go from 55 snow removal driveways last year down to 25 this year. I wanted to bring my stress level down. And I'm very lucky that those 30 people weren't upset that I gave up doing snow removal. I've kept in touch with all customers that are 6 months a year customers, and I don't see that I'm going to lose any customers due to this fact. Anyways, that's kind of my rant on insurance in the snow removal business. I'm sure there's more to talk about. If you guys want to share what your experience been, I know some people have been quoted $10,000 for a plow, and I've been quoted that through Wawanesa, and I pretty much laughed at them and said I was leaving. They charged me immediately. I didn't even give them authorization to start charging the $10,000 a year. I immediately got in contact with them and said that I wanted the money back, and they didn't immediately send me the money either. It was crazy. How can you have a yearly commercial insurance policy that costs you around $100 and something, and then all of a sudden just be charged like $600 a month without notifying me? I'll tell you the funny story about it is they told me in 2018 that I was insured for snow and that my rates weren't going up. I thought this was hard to believe, and I was like, wow, lucky me. And then in May of 2019, all of a sudden they realized that the person had made a mistake and said I was insured, and I really wasn't insured. And then they had to start charging me all the rates for the following year. I said, there's no way I'm paying that much money, like $10,000 for snow. Wouldn't make any profit. And they said, yeah, but you were insured last winter and you didn't pay for it. And I said, so you're saying if a claim was made that you would have came back and not said to me that there was a mistake with the insurance and that I wasn't being insured, I wasn't actually insured? You said you would pay out a claim? I have a hard time believing that. So I fought with them a little bit and I got the money back, and let's just say I'm not with Wawanesa for commercial insurance now. I'm with them for auto commercial insurance. They offer very good rates, but they couldn't insure me for even the basic snow removal. So anyways, guys, I think that's it for today. Let me know in the comments your experience with snow removal insurance, and on the next video we'll get more into my snow removal business. And being winter, I'm sure there's lots of things we can cover. Thanks a lot for watching, and again, Merry Christmas.